Let me show you how you can use the most powerful open source AI model for coding for free. So I'm talking about the Kimi K2.5 open source model. Now, Claude Opus 4.6, which is the new model, costs around $5 for 1 million input tokens and $25 for the output. Kimi K2.5 on Fireworks is 60 cents for input and $3 for output, which is basically roughly 90% cheaper across the board. It's not just about the money. While GPT 5.2 and Gemini 3 Pro have these massive wait times of over 30 seconds just to start talking, Kimi hits the ground running in 0.43 seconds, which is literally quite fast. Let's do a demo. Since it's the Super Bowl weekend, I put this to a real test by asking Kimi to build a full React Super Bowl bet game. So I needed a system where users can sign in, get $1,000 in play credits, and create their own bets on things like the length of the halftime show or the first turnover. It had to handle wager submissions, admin control for winning outcomes, and also a live leaderboard to show who was winning. For a complex task like this, Kimi K2.5 actually self-directed an agent swarm of up to 100 sub-agents. So basically what that means is it can execute parallel workflows across 1500 tool calls and finish the task 4.5 times faster than a standard single agent setup. So it also orchestrated the entire database logic and the UI without me having to define like a single sub-agent or workflow. And it did all of this in just a few minutes. Here I'm trying the same prompt with Claude Opus 4.6, and honestly, Kimi K2.5 is actually a bit faster. If you look at the results, Kimi clocked in at around 191 tokens per second, which is basically twice as fast as if you've used Opus 4.5, for example, which is a total game changer when you realize that it's also about 90% cheaper, which means that you can literally run 10 prompts on Kimi for the price of a single prompt on Opus. It completely removes that fear of wasting money and lets you actually experiment and iterate until your code is perfect. It can also create websites from images and videos. So I took a screenshot of a high-end sports website and told Kimi to replicate it as a React component. I wanted to see if an open source model could actually understand modern aesthetics and complex layouts. The result was incredible because Kimi saw the design and wrote the exact code to replicate the site, including the modern animations and like spacing and the headers and all these other things. This is the moment when I realized that, it feels like free to run because you stop coding defensively, right? You let the build breathe and you experiment more because you aren't worried about hitting like a usage limit or burning a hole in your pocket and spending a lot of money. So you can just, go nuts. So the reason Kimi K2.5 is such a powerhouse in production is because of the Fireworks AI platform. So they are the launch partner for this model and they have made it production ready. So for the developers out there, Fireworks now supports a full parameter RL tuning for Kimi in a private preview. So this basically means that you can actually customize the model to your specific product and end up with quality that exceeds the closed source giants. So you're basically getting the speed of a specialized platform with the brain of a frontier model, all while saving, again, 90% of your inference costs. So highly recommend checking it out. The links can be found in the description below if you want to give it a try. And let me know what you build. Send it in the comments below. And yeah, have fun. Bye.